Advanced social media marketing tips and tricks that work in 2019 and 2020. Post at strategic times. People on different social media platforms are most active at different times of the day. So the best you can do is to adapt your content calendar to publish your most engaging content at optimal times on each social network. According to social media marketing studies, the best times to post on social media are: the best times to post on Instagram are at 8 a.m., at 1 p.m., and at 9 p.m. on Fridays. The best times to post on Facebook are at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., at 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., and at 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. The best times to post on Twitter are at 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., at 12 p.m., and at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. The best times to post on LinkedIn is at 12 p.m. on Wednesdays. Curate user-generated content. Encourage users to post pictures or videos of them using your products. Then ask them for permission to post those pictures and videos on your own account. You can also interview satisfied customers and share their positive stories on your social channels. These two strategies will help you build solid social proof, which will increase trust and loyalty around your brand. Hold contests and offer incentives. You can hold contests and offer incentives and ask for interactions such as shares in exchange for entries for free stuff. This would motivate users to further spread word about your brand. Create communities for your audience. Users like to feel part of a big family of like-minded individuals, sharing the love for a brand or product. You can build a stronger community of users that can attract more customers by creating groups on social media, or by sending out personalized invites to join your live streams, your newsletters, and your private chat rooms. Build a presence on smaller niche social networks. If you're just getting started with social media marketing, you would be surprised to find out that there are lots of smaller social media sites for every possible niche audience. These focused social networks are created by niche audiences that want a separate ecosystem where to share their love for something. There are social networks for cat lovers, for dog lovers, for local bar lovers, for book lovers, for film lovers, and even for zombie lovers. As a business, the advantages of building a presence on a social network focused in your niche are plenty.